Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. So these are the ingredients here. This is my glucose, my matte of course, and my color. I think I'm using the Pro Gel color, and this one is the navy blue. Yeah, this is a Pro Gel food color, and I'm also using the teal green Pro Gel food color as well. So you can use any type of available colors you have. So far it is a food color, and that's my knife, and this is my toothpick as well, my kebab stick. I'm sure you'll be wondering what am I doing with kebab stick. Well, you're going to get to see what I'm going to do with it. So for the colors, like I said, make sure that you're using a food color, of course. Make sure you use your food color. You don't have to use anyhow color, okay? And if you really want to make your sugar bubbles to be really attractive, it all depends on your color. You can use different types of color, but me, I can't do without two colors. Even you can even do without the colors as well. You can even do white, like in just like what I'm doing right now. You don't have to add any color, so you can do just white sugar bubbles, and then at the end of the day, you can decide to well, it all depends on your choice anyways. So if you like, you can add colors. If you like, you can forget about adding the colors. So I had for the measurement. Well, I really don't have any measurement for this one. I don't have any recipe, so I just use my discretion. So if you're gonna do yours, I don't know how you want to do it. For me, I really don't have measurements, so I just take any quantity I like and say this is normal spoon used for eating. So this is it here. I like I said, no measurement for me. I use my discretion. So I hope you understand, guys. So I'm adding the navy blue color. Please take note of it that you're supposed to use a food color. You can see it's written on it Pro Gel navy blue color. I added a little of it. Then the next one I'm gonna do is using the teal green color. So just mix any color that you like, any color at all that you feel that is, that will blend. That's the right word. That will blend with it. You can use pink and purple. Just think of color, okay? So this is the kebab stick here. I use the kebab stick to mix the color, okay? Then I'm going to use my knife to to spread it round. There's some kind of colors that will not give you something like this, so that's why whenever you're buying colors, you need to get the original ones. So this is it here. I'm using my knife to spread it round, so that, because if you don't, and then by the time it enters the oven, it might pour away. So that's why it's much more better for you to do a little, because by the time it stays in the oven, it will start spreading out. So if it is too much, it might touch your oven. So just do a little quantity, just add a little bit of glucose, okay? And then you tap it on the table so that it can stay properly. I don't know how to explain it, but hope you guys understand me properly. So you send it to the oven for you to bake, okay? So this is it here. It's already out of the oven. This is what you get when it's properly baked. When it's fully baked, just allow it to cool before you use it on your cake. See how shiny it's looking, right? This is what we call sugar bubbles, okay guys? So there's my cake. I'm going to use it to decorate my cake now. So you're going to see, for these sugar bubbles, it actually makes the cake to be very beautiful. And it all depends on how you want to play around with yours. I'm using the ice cream cake. I use my sugar bubble on my ice cream cake. At the end of the day, the cake actually turned out great and beautiful. So this video, I'm going to show you guys how I got to use it to decorate my ice cream cake. Like, I love the outcome. The cake is classy, it's beautiful. It's not just really the regular, okay? So just take your time to watch the video to the end so that you can learn one or two things, of which I know that definitely you're going to learn a lot in this video. Because when decorating cake, you don't just you have to be intentional. You have to be cautious. Like for example, the florals, you don't just put flowers on your cake just because you see everybody putting flowers on their cake. No, you need to study your cake to see where would these flowers be, which position is better. Even if you're using anything like chocolate to decorate your cake, you need to be very intentional. You need to be very calculative. You don't just put the chocolate anywhere. This is the sugar bubbles, guys. I love the outcome of it. It's so beautiful, right? So back to what I was saying. You don't need to use just to, you don't need to use anything like I was saying, that if you want to use chocolate to decorate your cake, you need to make sure that your chocolate align well with your flowers. Okay, like now this sugar bubbles that I'm using to decorate this cake, I was really intentional. I was really careful to see if it's aligned properly. And yes, at the end of the day, it really did align. So if I had put the sugar bubbles in the front of the cake, there's no how it will come out perfect. No, it's not possible. So I just have to study the cake and see which one is better for me. So after arranging the flowers, which is the flowers, and then putting my gold coin, I said to myself, okay, this particular sugar bubbles will definitely be better on the side of the cake. So that's why I said whenever you're decorating a cake, you need to pay attention to details. It's very important, guys. Even if you're going to use strawberries to decorate your cake, you need to pay attention to details. If the strawberry is going to be finer on the bottom side of the cake, then go ahead. So that is it, guys. For this cake, I was really intentional. I really paid attention to details. I made sure that every detail on this cake popped out properly. I didn't make any mistake on this cake. And at the end of the day, the flowers, the sugar bubbles, everything really came out nice and beautiful. And of course, at the end of the day, the cake was super classy. So when you mix, this is the color of my sugar bubbles. But if you use any kind of fake color, I'm sorry, you might not get something like this. Okay, and there's one thing we call these sugar bubbles. If you use a color, it might not give you exactly the way the way you used it in the beginning. When it's in the oven, it will just turn to something else. So that's what I love about these sugar bubbles. Okay, and this is the flowers. I'm sure you guys have learned something now by using the kebab stick to put in your flowers, right? So that's why I said you need to watch your video to the end to learn, because every detail is important. Every single detailing when decorating a cake is really important. Okay, so I think we're almost done with the cake. So before I continue, if you're on my channel and you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so, guys. Click on the subscribe button to get notification when I upload the video, and also like the video and drop a nice comment on this video as well. Like, just tell me what you think about this video. Tell me that you like it. Tell me you learned something in this video, so that I know it encourages me to do more. It encourages me to teach you guys more interesting topics. Okay, so just drop a nice comment and tell me what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Nothing will happen to you guys if you guys just click on that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to me on this channel, because I see it as kind of support. Okay, so once again, guys, thank you, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I'm using a gold to spray on the sugar bubbles. That gold effect gives it this classy look that I want. So I use the gold pump. You can get it in any baking store around you. So that's what I use to spray on the sugar bubbles to give me that classy metallic gold effect that I like on cakes. And yes, it gave me what I want, and I'm really excited about it. I'm about to show you guys the fine. I don't know, guys, but I feel so excited. I feel so excited making this video for you guys. And I hope because you guys like it. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. We're almost done with we're almost done with the video anyway. I just want you guys to see the picture. I just love this cake, guys. I know my customer are going to definitely love it. I love everything about this cake. It's for actually a grandma. It's actually for a grandma. Yes, a grandma celebrating its first birthday. So this is it here. Hope you like it. Hope you love it, because it's so beautiful. It's so lovely, and also so classy, so female-ish. It's beautiful, guys. I hope you love it. I hope you love every important detail on this cake. So who's gonna try it? I'm sure you're inspired anyway. Yes, I'm really sure you're inspired. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna see you in my next video, guys, and bye for now. Subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye guys.